You're welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain American Test Kitchen app to say with what you're using. So let's quickly dive into the review. American Test Kitchen app is a packed with thousands of tested recipes, cooking videos, and a step-by-step instruction from one of the most trusted names in food. It's great for home cooks who want reliable results, detailed techniques, and access to expert tips all in one place. The app also offers smart features like recipe rating, ingredient note, and sectional meals ideas. On the flip side, it requires a paid subscription after a short trial, which may feel pricey compared to free alternative. Some users also find the app navigation a bit clunky. In whole entire shop, the app still worth using if you want a chef-tested recipe and you are willing to invest in quality guidance, but less ideal if you're just looking for free casual cooking inspiration. And that's it. Hope you found the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.